Welcome back to Simply Food Recipes. Today we are making Klausův Tatarák, a Czech potato tartare, the poor man's no-meat version. Retro, simple and way better than it sounds. Start by boiling the potatoes. You want them cooked, but not falling apart. This is potato tartare, not mashed potatoes. While they cook, finely mince one small onion, and yes, feel free to use your favorite kitchen helper to save your tears. Now garlic. Peel 3 cloves and grate them, or use a garlic press if you have one. 3 cloves give a nice balanced flavor that doesn't overpower the tartare. If you really love garlic, you can add more. Just remember, it will get stronger as it sits. Crack an egg and carefully separate the yolk from the white. We only need the yolk for this potato tartare. It adds richness and helps everything come together. Save the egg white for baking, cooking or whatever you like. Once the potatoes are cooked, cool them down in cold water. This simply stops the cooking process and makes them easier to work with. Peel off the skins and discard them. Then grate the potatoes on the large holes of grater straight into a bigger mixing bowl, keeping everything neat and ready for the next step. Add the minced onion to the bowl. Next goes in the garlic, finely grated and ready to do its thing. Here comes the ketchup. This may sound unusual, but it's part of the old school Czech style. It brings little sweetness, a little acidity, and ties all the flavors together without overpowering anything. Now the egg yolk goes in. A small splash of oil comes next. This is where sweet paprika comes in. It adds color first, but also that familiar warm flavor that makes this potato tartare taste properly Czech. A little chili powder for heat, just a pinch is enough here, but you can always push it further if you like things spicy. Season with black pepper and then a bit of salt. Nothing heavy here, we are just building the base flavor before mixing everything together. Now give everything a good mix. Take your time and scrape the sides of the bowl, making sure nothing is left behind. You are looking for a smooth, evenly combined mixture. While the tartare rests, it's time to prepare the bread. Pour a little oil into the pan and let it heat up properly. You want the oil hot before the bread goes in. Place the slices into the pan and let them fry slowly. Give them time to develop color on the bottom. Then turn them over and fry the other side. Keep an eye on them and adjust the heat if needed. Lighter bread stays soft inside, darker bread turns crisp and crunchy. And now we are ready to serve. For shaping the potato tartare, we are using a burgering lightly brushed with oil, so it comes out clean and keep its shape nicely. If you don't have one, that's absolutely fine. A spoon works just as well and the taste stays exactly the same. Add a few fresh vegetables on the side for color and a bit of freshness. This dish is quite simple, so the little details really stand out here. Serve it with the fried bread, still warm and crisp. And enjoy the contrast with the cold potato tartare. This is one of those old school Czech recipes that comes from a time when people cooked with what they had. It's simple, nostalgic and surprisingly satisfying. No meat, no fancy ingredients, just honest flavors. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share and follow. Thanks for cooking along with me today, and I will see you next time on Simply Food Recipes.